So guys, welcome back. A whole lot of unboxings to be done today. Let's start with it, then I will show you what's next. And what are these for? So this is the Bhubaneswar motor jack. Smart, which can hold up 190 kg or 200 kg to be approx. And it costed me around 1400 rupees on Amazon. Okay, an adapter. And for an extension board as well as adapter. From Heavens, it costed me around 450 rupees. Okay, this is a chest mount by Yantrale. It costed me around 450 something. And this is from Decathlon. These are hydration bladders to help you keep hydrated or stay hydrated while you are on your trek, ride. I will show you when I will be inserting it. These are 2-liter pouches that can hold water without any leakages. It costed me around 800 rupees from Decathlon, and it has a warranty of around 3 years. It's very simple to use, and as the bike, we have two because one for me and one for my co-rider. And these are two pads. This is the Velcro for what I don't know. And this is the pouch. I will show you how to use it later. And thirdly, a friend bought this and I ordered it from her. These are Boat Adops 441, which costed around 2000. MRP is around, I guess, 6000 rupees. And if you are lucky, then you will get the discount, and it will cost around 2000 rupees. These are boat air-drops. So why I bought all these and I'm doing unboxing in such a hurry? Let's go there. So guys, finally we are almost ready for a trip to south, and here's almost all the preparations that we have made: ponchos, raincoats, the leftover engine oil, the hydration bag, the bike papers, the adapter, three power banks because we are thinking of that is a surprise. Tire pressure pump, tool kit, headlamp, the helmet. Yep, the helmet. I bought this one, man. MT Revenge 2 and rear spare is addition, and it costed something around 7,900, and it's dot rated, EC rated, obviously not Snell rated, and has a double D ring. Yeah, funky color, I know. GoPro and its accessories, chain lube, chain cleaner, C1 and C2, oximeter, not umbrella, a tent lamp. Yeah, we will be camping this time. The headphones, hydration bag, chest mount. Chest mount is actually for Kerala purposes, because in Kerala they have banned motor vlogging. That means you can't weld a helmet, camera over your helmet. That's why for that I bought this, but I guess we won't be entering Kerala. And yeah, those are 3 power banks, a portable speaker, some screw kit and all, tape and all, track pants, and undies and towel. Those are maybe for some hill stations. The saddle bags, the thigh bag. This is our tent. Fresh and black Decathlon MH100. These have some reflective surfaces which controls the temperature inside the tent. A swimming trunk, obviously beaches man, and yeah, almost bungee cords, a siphoning pipe, bungee ropes, and a spare shoes, and the precious stand bag. It has almost all the medicines, toiletry bag, and some token of good luck. Okay. कुछ बचा क्या? कुछ बचा. अब बस उड़ना है. ब्रूम ब्रूम. स्टार्ट हुआ ना चल बा बाय. गोप्रो बहुत नीचे हो गया बे. गोप्रो बहुत नीचे चला गया है. So guys, we are almost ready. Take off. अच्छा पापा, ये माला रख लो, ये उड़ जाएगा रास्ते में. So guys, we are almost ready. We're in the full start, and we will now start rooming. पापा कहाँ गए? निकल गए. पापा निकल गए. बाय बाय पापा. Guys, we will be going towards Raniganj. Okay, what to set my map.
ও কি হর্ন শুনতে পারছো না? কি হর্ন মারবে না, টার্নিং আছে, হর্ন মারবে না। কি শোনো আমি হর্নটা পিছন দিকে মারছি বাবা, তোমার কানটা যদি বন্ধ করে রাখো তোমার আমার ভুল নয়। না আমার বন্ধ নয়, হেলমেটটা পরে না আমাকে। We are about to exit Asansol, our hometown, and proceed towards our destination, our first destination, our first stop, Puri. Jai Shri Ram. हाँ? आसनसोल। जिस समय मेरे को कांड होगा उसी समय सबको कांड होगा। We are actually crossing Raniganj, and Baleshwar is 280 kilometers from here, and it's actually 7:30, past 7:30. That's why we are getting this jam. Welcome back, and today we are in Bhubaneswar. We were able to make the Puri, and Bhubaneswar में बैठे हुए। ऑनेस्टली रात में कुछ करने आता है नहीं, बस एक रेस्टोरेंट देख सकता हूँ, रेड लीफ समथिंग रेस्टोरेंट। तो वहाँ पर अपन खाने आए हैं। मैं सालस में
ये बंदा बिना चप्पलों के आया है, हाफ पैंट में। देखो, बिना चप्पलों के हाफ पैंट में ये बंदा, और ये मेरे को लेक्चर दे रहे थे कि तुम स्लीवलेस एक गंजी पहन के क्यों जा रहा है। ये बंदा ये हाँ बोलो। We have ordered bamboo chicken, पता नहीं क्या है, स्टार्टर है बोल रहे, लेट्स ट्राई।
चिकन कोल्हापुरी, दोनों ही झाल खा लेते हैं आराम से। पाकिस्तानी बटर नान गार्लिक नान था, खिला देते हैं, देखते हैं क्या करते हैं। अच्छा लगा तो और ऑर्डर कर पी तो टाइम लगा। देखो पानी फेंका लौंडा, सिर्फ पानी पीता है, चाय नहीं पीता है, कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं पीता है, खाना नहीं खाता है। इसको सिर्फ पानी में तो मुझता भी नहीं है, सिर्फ साला पानी पीता है, पता नहीं पानी कहाँ जाता है। नाइस।
पैर से मारो ना, मारो 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 और मारो। अब आगे मत और मारो।